Starting a family business in Kenya is a powerful journey that can change the future of your household for generations. Many successful businesses in Kenya today began as small family efforts, built with trust, unity, and shared dreams. When a family comes together with one goal, they can create something strong, stable, and long-lasting. A family business is not just about making money. It is about building a legacy, creating opportunities, and securing a better life for children and future generations. In many Kenyan homes, families already practice small business activities without even calling them businesses. Selling vegetables by the roadside, running a small shop, doing tailoring, or keeping poultry are all examples of family businesses. The difference between a struggling activity and a successful business is planning, discipline, and growth mindset. When you treat your family hustle like a real business, you open doors to bigger income and expansion. The first step in starting a family business is having a clear idea. A good business idea should solve a problem or meet a need in your community. In Kenya, there are many opportunities because people need food, services, transport, clothing, and convenience. A family can sit together and discuss what they are good at. Maybe one member is good at cooking, another is good with money, and another is good at talking to customers. When you combine these skills, you can create a strong business. For example, a family can start a small food business with an initial capital of 50,000 Kenyan shillings. This can include cooking equipment, raw materials, and a simple stall. Another family can start poultry farming with 100,000 Kenyan shillings, buying chicks, feed, and building a small structure. The key is to start with what you can afford and grow slowly. After choosing the idea, the next step is planning. A business plan does not have to be complicated. It is simply a guide that shows what you want to do, how much money you need, and how you will make profits. A good plan answers simple questions. What will you sell? Who are your customers? How much will it cost to start? How much do you expect to earn? For instance, if you start a small retail shop, you may need about 100,000 Kenyan shillings for stock, rent, and shelves. You may expect to make daily sales of 5,000 Kenyan shillings and a profit of 1,000 Kenyan shillings. Writing these numbers helps you stay focused and track progress. One of the biggest advantages of a family business is shared responsibility. However, this can also become a problem if roles are not clear. Every family member involved should have a defined role. One person can handle finances, another can manage operations, and another can handle customer service. When roles are clear, there is less confusion and fewer conflicts. Money is a sensitive issue in family businesses. Many businesses fail because money is mixed with personal expenses. It is important to separate business money from family money. Even if the business is small, keep records. Write down daily sales, expenses, and profits. This helps you understand whether the business is growing or not. Opening a business bank account is also a good idea. It creates discipline and makes it easier to track finances. Even mobile money platforms can be used to separate business transactions from personal use. When you treat money professionally, your business becomes stronger. Registering your business is another important step. In Kenya, you can register a business name at a low cost of about 1,000 Kenyan shillings. This gives your business identity and allows you to operate legally. As your business grows, you can upgrade to a limited company structure, which offers more benefits and protection. Legal compliance also includes paying taxes and getting licenses from your county government. While this may seem like an extra cost, it protects your business from fines and closures. It also builds trust with customers and partners. Marketing is what brings customers to your business. Even the best product will not sell if people do not know about it. In Kenya today, social media is a powerful tool. Platforms like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and TikTok can help you reach many people at a low cost. A simple phone and internet connection can help you promote your business daily. Word of mouth is also very powerful. When customers are happy, they tell others. This is why customer service is very important. Treat every customer with respect, listen to their needs, and deliver quality products. A happy customer is the best advertisement. Location also plays a big role in business success. If you run a physical business, choose a place with high traffic or easy access. For example, a shop near a bus stage or market will attract more customers than one in a hidden area. However, if rent is too high, you can start small and move later as the business grows. Growth is the goal of every business. Once your business starts making profit, Avoid spending all the money. Reinvest part of the profit back into the business. This can mean adding more stock, improving equipment, or expanding your space. Small improvements over time lead to big growth. Family businesses also need good communication. Problems will come, and disagreements are normal. What matters is how you handle them. Talk openly, listen to each other, and make decisions together. Respect is key. When family members respect each other, the business becomes stronger. Training and learning are also important. The business world keeps changing. New technologies, customer preferences, and competition require you to adapt. Attend workshops, watch educational videos, and read business content. Knowledge helps you make better decisions. One challenge in family businesses is mixing emotions with business decisions. Sometimes it is hard to correct a family member or enforce rules. However, for the business to succeed, professionalism is necessary. Set rules and follow them. Everyone should be accountable, regardless of their relationship. Another important factor is succession planning. Think about the future of the business. Who will manage it in the coming years? How will knowledge be passed on? Teaching younger family members about the business ensures continuity. A business that survives generations becomes a true legacy. Technology can also improve your business. Simple tools like mobile payment systems, record-keeping apps, and social media marketing can increase efficiency. Even small businesses can benefit from digital tools. In Kenya, there are also opportunities for funding. Groups such as savings and credit cooperative organizations provide loans at reasonable rates. Government programs also support small businesses. However, borrowing should be done carefully. Only take loans when you have a clear plan for repayment. Starting small is not a weakness. Many big businesses started small. What matters is consistency. Work hard every day, improve gradually, and stay committed. Success does not happen overnight, but with patience and effort it will come. Family businesses also bring emotional satisfaction. Working together strengthens relationships and creates shared achievements. Celebrating small wins together builds motivation and unity. However, challenges will come. There will be days when sales are low, customers complain, or losses occur. Do not give up. Learn from mistakes and keep moving forward. Every successful business has faced challenges. Discipline is one of the most important qualities in business. Open on time, serve customers well, and manage money wisely. Small habits create big results over time. In conclusion, starting a family business in Kenya is a smart and rewarding decision. It requires planning, teamwork, discipline, and patience. With the right mindset and effort, a small family business can grow into a successful enterprise that supports the family and creates opportunities for others. The journey may not be easy, but it is worth it. Start with what you have, believe in your vision, and work together as a family to build something great.